level is manager. Now, instead of a $500 bonus at manager, we're going to pay a $400 bonus at manager. So that has changed a little bit from $500 to $400. The sponsor will receive $200. And then, again, the change is at senior director and executive director. Instead of $400 at those two levels, each of those levels will pay $200. So the new associate will receive $400. The sponsor will get $200. The upline senior director, executive director, and platinum will each receive $200. Of course, those will also stack up if you're all of those things. But that's the change in the Fast Start Manager program. So right away, you're probably thinking, well, Don, you just told me how exciting this was going to be, and all you did was remove some money from the Fast Start and Manager program. And that's true until you see where we moved the money to. And where we moved the money to was Performance Club. And when you see what we've done here, I think all of your questions are going to be answered. So we still have a very robust incentive program at Fast Start, right? So